Good morning. Welcome back to SC Outdoors. Today I'm gonna be doing some fishing with my friend Travis here. We only have a few hours to fish, but we're thinking probably gonna try either a lake for some panfish and some pickerel, stuff like that, or we're gonna fish a river for some walleye and whatever else bites. Pretty much just gonna throw some lures out there and see what can hit. No real target species today, just trying to get out. It's supposed to be nice, 50 and sunny. We'll see what we can do this time of year. I mean, in Pennsylvania, you're pretty much going to catch, you're going to catch walleye, you're going to catch trout, you can catch maybe stripers if they're there, pickerel, pike, that type of stuff. Bass could get, but not as likely. So anyways, we will be on the water probably in an hour or so, so I will see you guys there. Wish us luck. Well, I guess what I got to do is rip this crankbait through the weeds, right? And that'll just trigger a bite. Yeah. Got one. It feels good. Oh, it feels a little better than I thought.
No way, it's a muskie.
Oh my god.
It's nice though.
What is it? I don't know.
Bass.
Is it a bass? Yeah, it is a bass. I thought you saw it and it was a muskie.
That's a nice bass.
It's a pretty good one. Heck yeah.
Fuck yeah, dude.
Yeah.
You want a picture?
Kinda.
Well, I'll get you a picture.
Look how he ate it too. Like.
Yeah, you fucking tore it up, man. You got the nice. That's the first time I've really seen a largemouth with red eyes. Much as you
Yeah.
probably super stressed.
What'd you say? Probably 16, 17 inches? Something like that. Yeah. That's sweet. Oh, get a cool release shot. Well, that's what's up. I got 2 videos out this weekend. That's always a good weekend.
That's good.
Got another one. He's heavy.
Oh shit.
It's a good bass.
He's a good fucking
Oh. This one.
He is a sexy bass. He's like 22, at least.
Oh, that's a good one. This may be more worth a picture.
You're gonna want a picture.
Yeah. Yeah. Look how he's hooked. Just
shit.
barely.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Thanks. That's awesome though. He's a little fatter, I think, than anything.
Yeah. He looks cool in the water.
Yeah. That's awesome. Got one. It's another good one. There we go. This one's about as big as the other two. Dang. Yeah, it came off. He was so close.
That's just bad. I just think
he swiped it. I think it's not hooked in his mouth. There he goes.
He was on his back.
Yeah.
That was pretty cool. He swam a little bit more
He was,
than the other one.
yeah, he was going. That. Oh man. Oh.
Oh my god.
He had some pretty good pull there at first. They're barely hooked. Got hooked under. Another nice bass.
Pretty good day for you.
Yeah.
Lunar day or March day.
Yeah.
Good video.
It is definitely. Oh. Heck yeah. That's what, 5 hooked fish. All right, guys. Well, I am back home now. Just wanted to recap the day. I know I said when we in the beginning of the video that we had no idea what we were going to do today. So we ended up going to fish Lake Marburg, which is about an hour away or so. Mainly targeting largemouth. I know there's some pike, there's the muskie in there, perch, crappie, all that stuff, but mostly chasing largemouth. Started out with jerkbait, nothing. Went to the lipless, and that ended up doing very well. Hooked 5 fish, landed 3. The way I was doing it, just yo-yoing it off the bottom. Most times they'd hit it on the fall. Or sorry, not on the fall. They'd hit it as I'm pulling it up. They would snap at it, and they weren't really getting hooked that well. I know they're pretty sluggish this time of year, but some good sized fish. So I definitely will take that. Then I lost my last lipless, and that kind of ended the bite. Nothing on blade bait, but still very good day, very successful. I'm very happy with it. Felt a little bit like spring, 50 degrees and sunny. I know it's supposed to snow here in a couple of days, so that sucks. But anyways, thank you guys for watching. I hope you enjoyed, and I will see you guys next time on SC Outdoors.